Stay tuned to see how I created this custom set of resin dominoes. And as with any resin project, we're going to begin by creating our mixture. So for my decorations, I wanted to do a really pretty set, and so I'm using the gold flake, and I'm adding a generous amount of the gold flakes to my resin mixture. And once I get enough into the mixture, I start to stir. The thing with the golden flakes is that you do want to stir really well, making sure to break up any of the bigger pieces, because as I found out, that can be a hindrance when you are starting to pour the mixture into your silicone mold. So stir, 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 and break up those big pieces. And then of course, once you have stirred enough, you'll start to add your resin mixture into your mold. Make sure that you clean up your edges. For the second half of the domino set, I wanted to try something that I've seen other people who create items with resin, which is add the mica powder directly to the mold instead of mixing the powder into the resin. The result should be a transfer of the color into the finished product. And here is my finished set of resin dominoes. I am extremely impressed at how the color really did transfer into the dominoes with adding it directly to the silicone mold. I am so just in awe of how beautiful these dominoes came out. The color is so vibrant, and I am very pleased. I really just wanted to show you guys another view of them. Of course, this is not a real game by any means, but I just wanted to set them up to show you just how good they look. I fully intend on using these to play dominoes, and like I said, they would create an amazing gift. And there are so many colors that you could create a set of dominoes out of using the resin and the mica powders. Let me know what color you guys would like if you were to receive this as a gift. Thank you for joining me for another video this week. I am truly in awe at how these dominoes came out, and I think that this would make a really beautiful custom gift set. You guys know Christmas is right around the corner because we'll blink twice and December will be here. Make sure you leave me a comment down below, like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell for notifications, and share with a friend. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, love you guys. Bye.